Hello guys, today I'm gonna prove to you that this DIY recovery machine is working. So this yellow hose here, I'm going to put it here. This is the suction and this is the discharge pipe. Here's the capillary, and this capillary I'm going to put it here so we can recover the gas from this refrigerator because this one has a leaking. Okay, we're going to purge the air from this hose. That's it. And we have a clamp meter here so you can see that the compressor is working. And the clamp meter too, we're going to measure the discharge pipe temperature. The temperature right now is 23 degrees Celsius. We're recovering the refrigerant from this refrigerator. We're going to start up the machine. Start up the machine. And open here, the plug here, and open the tap here. And we are now losing, look at the temperature, it's now 26 degrees Celsius. It's going 27 here. And we're losing refrigerant. We're transferring that here. And temperature here is cold, while here 27. And the gauge reading is now going to 0. 26. Formerly this is 23. As you can see, the machine is still sucking from this refrigerator, sucking the gas. That is 134A, and it's transferring here. And guys, nakikita nyo, kinukuha natin yung refrigerant mula dito papunta dito gamit itong ating DIY recovery machine. Ayan, kanina temperature nito is 23, ngayon 26 degrees Celsius. And then dinagyan natin ng clamp meter here para nakita nyo na umaandar ito. Okay, wala na akong nafe-feel na malamig dito. I cannot feel coldness here anymore. So we're going to shut here. Here's the zero reading of our gauge manifold, proving that there is no more refrigerant there. So I'm going to close this valve of the refrigerant tank. Sasarado lang natin ito. We're going to check there is still remaining gas. Okay, we still have. Okay, here. Okay, so the recovering is done. Thanks for watching everyone. Until next time.